Mr. Pandurangam Narmeta, spiritually enlightened senior pyramid master and in charge of Pyramid Party of India's Siddipet Assembly constituency. He is the head of the department for first year of B.tech Humanities and Sciences department at Indur Institute of Engineering and Technology in Siddipet. After he started meditating, he has the honor to build a rooftop pyramid in less than 3 months, and he has been lecturing many spiritual classes in and around Siddipet. So moving ahead, do you follow Osho's teachings?
I have been inspired much about Osho's teaching. Right. I follow his philosophy. His mission is to bring spiritual salvation and eternal life to human being, those who believe in him. He preached about the value of meditation, freedom, and love and life. According to him, one who is delighted in his own self, it is called meditation. If I feel delighted in my own self, this is meditation, according to Osho. And compassion is the highest form of love, he says. Romance is the lowest form of love. Got it, sir?
So he stresses on compassion.
I stress on compassion, love and compassion. And one who does righteous meditation, love and compassion develops and which protects from all the obstacles of life. He says that live wakefully every time, live wakefully. And you are the truth, I am the truth, everyone is the truth. Don't search for it elsewhere. You are the truth and don't search for it elsewhere. Nothingness is the door to the truth. So you keep your mind empty. That will be enough. And about freedom, freedom is intrinsic desire of human being. Freedom is the ultimate value in the soul. And to get the thought-free state is the greatest gift of freedom, he says. Doubts creates misunderstandings, but love has no doubts.
Lovely, amazing.
Love has no doubts. If it has, it is not love.
So he says that love has no doubts.
No doubts.
But if it has, then it's not
Not
love.
love.
Amazing.
And the person who expresses love unconditionally, it does not find time to hate others.
Lovely. The person who finds time to love unconditionally, he has no time for hatred.
Hatred. And according to him, hatred keeps you in karmic circle. Love keeps you in liberation.
Lovely. Love keeps you in liberation, but hatred will keep you in karmic circle.
Karmic circle.
Amazing.
According to Osho. And according to him, don't swim, but float. Be afloat with your life, but don't swim in your life. Float. Don't swim, but float.
Amazing. Really amazing. Moving ahead, if we talk about his books, how many books of him have you read?
A number of books, sir.
Right.
And
what is your favorite book out of those books?
Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, the book of Vijnana Niguda Rahasyalu. Right. And Freedom. There are many books. I have gone through Osho books. Right. And sir, according to Osho, the emotions of others should not influence you, should not affect you. So that you maintain, you gain, you attain through your practice of doing meditation.
Right. So that is what Patriji calls as non-interference.
Non-interference, right, wonderfully. Non-interference in others' free will.
And not letting others to interfere in our lives.
Yes, yes, yes. Don't let others to interfere in your life.
And don't interfere in others' lives.
Don't interfere in others' life. Wonderful, yes, sir.
What is vegetarianism and why is it important and what do you think What vision does PSSM have in terms of vegetarianism?
The food is not just food, sir. It is you. When you are a vegetarian, you are light. You are under the law of grace and you are under the law of power. You are more gravitated towards the sky. When you eat animal meat, you are heavy. Your body is burdened. And you are under the law of necessity. You are more gravitated towards the earth. If you eat non-vegetarian food and it doesn't help you go deeper in meditation,
Right.
and there will be a bondage with the earth. And those who are vegetarian and they practice doing meditation, they connect to the divine. Easily they connect to the divine.
Right. So these are the benefits of being vegetarianism.
Yes.
And it also displays the compassion, right?
Yes, yes. A human body is designed for vegetarian food.
And of course, it's not good.
Non-vegetarian food is not suited to the human body. It doesn't deserve.
Secondly, morally and ethically, it's wrong to kill somebody for making our food, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We should not take somebody's lives. We have no right to,
No right.
because we cannot give a life,
Life.
so we have no right to kill them.
Yes, sir. True. True.
Moving ahead, since you've been with PSSM for a long time,
Yes, sir.
and you belong to Siddipet. Now we'll talk about your native place.
Okay, sir.
So what is the progress of PSSM in your native place?
Currently, there is a legendary pyramid master in Siddipet.
Who is that?
His name is Bhupati Raju. Wow. He is called Dhyana Gaddar. He is the convener of Telangana Pyramid Sevadal. He is convener now. After 2014, there was a tremendous change in spiritual campaign in Siddipet because of him. Right. After 2012, there was silent in spiritual work for 2 or 3 years. There was stagnant. There was a gap. And after 2014, rapidly there was a change because of Bhupati. Now still, he works hard. I am very much impressed his thirst for spiritual work.
So how many pyramids are there in Siddipet right now?
About 10, there are rooftop pyramids, and people come to pyramid and sit in meditation. They share their experiences well. Every pyramid is used for meditation in Siddipet. And the pyramid is had Dhyananda Pradesh magazine.
For the public?
For the public. And there is spiritual library in Siddipet. There are few books. People sit and they do read spiritual books written by Patriji sir, especially Patriji sir books.
Which is the biggest pyramid over there?
Dattatreya pyramid.
Dattatreya pyramid.
Dattatreya pyramid. It is on Hyderabad road.
How far is Siddipet from Hyderabad?
It is 100 kilometers away from Siddipet.
Okay, not that far actually.
Yes. And 2 hours journey, 1.5 hour or 2 hours journey. 2 hours approximately. Yes.